3, 2, 1. Yeah, Marcus Body Coding Live. Are you ready? Remember, no footwork every day. And what do we do here? You see, we do. No excuses. So let's start. You wanna see? Today, cross complicado 8. Let's go. Da 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 da. Again. Pa 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 pa. Da 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 da. Yeah, this is the move. Now remember, no excuses. I switch the cameras and you do it with me. With the legs. Let's go. I'm switching the cameras. Let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We go cross to the back. Step in place. Open. Step in place. Cross to the back. Open, open. Now with the right. Cross to the back. Step. Open. Step. Cross to the back. Open, open. Again with the left. Cross to the back. Step. Open. Step. Cross. Open, open. Cross. Step. Open. Step. Cross. Open, open. Again. Cross. Step. Open. Step. Cross. Open, open. Cross. Step. Open. Step. Cross. Open, open. Now with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time. Let's go again with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Amazing. Yeah. This was cross complicado 8. By the way, it's like cross 8, but to the back. A little bit complicado. I know. Let me remind you, these are universal moves. Why we do them universal? So you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba, samba, samba, whatever style you want. Wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. And if you only join right now, do this as the first practice. Let's go. Now, imagine yourself staring in a mirror, okay? And let's practice. Let's go. Cross complicado 8. Starting with the left. Let's go. We go cross to the back, okay? Let's go. Cross, step in place, open, step in place, cross, open, open. Now with the right. Cross to the back, step, open, step, cross, open, open. With the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By the way, at the end, we can open with the hands. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands in the middle. 6, 7. Yeah, that's the move. Amazing or not amazing? I'm super happy that you stayed with me till now and this amazing day in Iceland. No sun, but still amazing day. Well, since you stayed till now, I have a bonus for you. Something insane. You can practice with me this move, cross complicado 8, with me in the studio for free anytime you want. Also, right now. But how do you do that? You can check the link above or below or wherever it might be and meet me in the studio with a full tutorial on YouTube, Cross Complicado 8. But what do you care? You have this video, right? No excuses. So you can just use this video, hit the replay button and do this move with me again. Practice it. And you know what? Do it today. Do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's new footwork. New footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, practice this move today and do it in today's party. Yeah. And what happens if you forget the move? You have it on your phone. Remember, no excuses. You have it on your phone. So if you forget the move, no matter where you are, you can go to the side, maybe even to the bathroom, take your phone, practice with me on the floor, on the grass, on the pavement, on the path, on the trail, wherever you are. Remember, no excuses. And then you can go back to the party or wherever you want to do the move. You go back to the party. Yeah. All confident. And do the move. Yeah, practice. Show off a little bit. You deserve it. So, this today. And let's meet tomorrow for another footwork. Marcus Body Coding Live. New footwork every day. See you tomorrow then.